Education is the key to a brighter future. Girls should not educated. It's against the rules. I won't let fear stop me from pursuing my dream. Malala, no, this can't happen to you. Keep fighting for education. It's the only way. Malala, your courage has inspired the world. You are a symbol of hope. Don't worry, Malala. We will with you, Malala. We will keep fighting for our right to